What is up, team? Welcome back to this video once again, and in this video we're going to be having a look at 3 altcoin gems that could potentially make a massive run not only in April but in the next bull market. You really don't want to miss out on these 3 altcoin gems. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn the notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. Let's dive in straight into coin market cap. So starting off from the highest market cap coin to the lowest, we're gonna have a look at KDA number 1, currently ranked 151 with 295,000 people on the watch list. Market cap is currently sitting at $226 million, $7 million of volume in the past 24 hours, quite low, traded at under $1. Now, if we have a look at a technical analysis on KDA real quick, you can see that KDA has been in a nice, beautiful uptrend. I made this tweet about it this morning. If you guys want to subscribe or follow me on Twitter, make sure you click on the link in the description below. And we can see right here, this has been a very strong resistance on KDA. Now, the big thing is that the trend is your friend until it bends. We know that. We know we are in a trend line. There's no question. If KDA manages to break out of this triangle right here, our target should potentially be right here, okay? And as you guys can see, this is where the arrow is, $1.10. Now, that's obviously not going to be it. It's most likely going to continue to the upside. Now, usually when we have any sorts of breakout, doesn't matter if it's support, resistance, triangle, head and shoulder, we usually pump, come back, retest before exploding again. So of course, it's going to be on the 4-hour time frame. Can we see a massive pump beginning of next week coming into KDA? We're gonna have to see. The market cap sitting at $226 million is a very low cap coin in my opinion. I see Kadena, my price prediction is anywhere between 50 billion to 70 billion. I'm not saying in the next bull market, but definitely in the future. KDA is proof of work. They claim that they can do 480,000 transactions per second. We got NFTs coming up. It's going to be very interesting. Now, we saw Solana in the last bull market what it can do. I wouldn't be surprised if KDA replicates what Solana did in the last bull market. Having a look at altcoin number 2, we got Flux, guys. Proof of work. Is this the future of Google Cloud and AWS? 167, that's the ranking. 122,000 people on the watch list, traded at 65 cents. Now, the interesting about Flux is that the volume is $193 million, but the volume is sitting at $18 million. Okay, so we got 10% of the market cap being traded, which is good. I mean, a lot of people are interested. People want to trade Flux, people want to be part of it, and this is exactly what you want to see. Essentially, when you have a low cap coin like that, you want to see at least 10 to 15% of the market cap being traded. Now, what's a little bit disappointing about KDA, a coin that we saw earlier, is that not a lot of people are trading it. Maybe people aren't interested, maybe people don't understand about it, so it's a little bit concerning, but I do think that KDA will be here to stay in the future. Let's have a look at Flux on TradingView. Flux right now is in a massive triangle, guys, and the price can potentially explode next month if we break out on the monthly time frame out this triangle. Now, this is the monthly time frame. We've been in a downtrend right here since December 2021, guys. That is a long time. I mean, it's not really a long time, it's about a year and a half, right? Year and a half, maybe a little bit less, but we've been in this very aggressive downtrend, followed by this very interesting support region right here, and we keep making bounces, and now the moves are getting smaller and smaller on Flux on the monthly time frame. And the big question is where are we gonna go and how high are we gonna pump? Well, if I take the top of this triangle right here to the bottom and then I extend that, we could see Flux right here pump all the way to as high as $10. That would essentially bring Flux to a 12x 1200% gain in a matter of weeks, if not months. Okay, so yes, a massive move on Flux is coming. I'm leaning more to the upside. If we do break below the downside, that's going to be obviously bad news bears. I mean, we could see Flux potentially retest this low right here sitting at 9 cents. We're going to have to see. I'm hoping that is not the case, but a massive move is down for Flux, and it's going to be happening very soon. And if you guys missed that, don't say I didn't warn you, because I've been talking about Flux, Kadena for a long time now, and that's about it. Let's have a look at altcoin number 3. If you guys know me, this is one of a big altcoin and one of my favorites. It's not my biggest, but it is one of my favorite. Okay, ranked 353 with 385,000 people on the watch list. Community is growing every damn day. Market cap is sitting at $65 million, traded at 006358. Now, the volume of VRA is currently sitting at $10 million. Remember how I told you guys volume to market cap has to be 10 to 15%. This is exactly what is happening. 15% right now of the market cap is being traded, which is exactly what we want to see. Things are looking very, very good for VRA. If we have a look at a technical analysis, we can see right here that Verasity is holding the support region quite well. So on the daily time frame, when we had that crazy parabolic run, after we have a massive run, guys, especially 450%, you're expecting either one, a consolidation, or two, a correction. And this is exactly what we saw. We saw a correction and a consolidation. Now, we didn't just pump and then dump back down. We didn't do that. We're just consolidating, we're correcting, we're calming down, we're letting people sell, paper hands especially, and people are accumulating these dips right here. I've been accumulating all around at this support region, and I will keep buying the support region. A lot of people say, oh, I should have bought Verasity right here when it was doing nothing. But guess what? Now Verasity is doing nothing. What will your next big move be? VRA is sitting at $65 million market cap coin. Now we know that Verasity, guys, is gonna be a massive, and it's in a massive industry. Okay, so the click advertising industry is worth $600 billion. The gaming industry is worth $150 billion. Okay, that is 5 times bigger than the movie industry. We got proof of view. We got a lot of things happening and going on with VRA that could bring this market to $1 trillion industry. Now, I'm not saying Verasity is going to be a $1 trillion market cap coin. I'm just saying that there is a lot of things that could help Verasity grow not only big, but drastically in the next bull market. Imagine what happens when Elon Musk knows about VRA Verasity, because we know how much Elon Musk hates bots. Imagine what happens when Elon Musk actually adopts VRA and puts it on Twitter to prevent click ad fraud, proof of view, and all the good things. What will happen to Verasity? It's gonna explode. It's gonna moon. I mean, I'm very excited for this project, and it's only a matter of time in my opinion, and not if. So that is my video on the 3 low cap coin all gem. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video.